Antarctica, the southernmost continent on Earth, is a harsh and extreme environment where life is challenging, but still exists. Here is some information about life in Antarctica. Climate. Antarctica is the coldest continent on Earth, with average temperatures ranging from about -20 degrees Celsius to -60 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to -76 degrees Fahrenheit, during the winter months, and occasionally dropping even lower. The continent is also known for its strong winds and dry conditions, with very low precipitation and little plant growth. Terrestrial life. Despite the extreme conditions, Antarctica supports a limited range of terrestrial life. The most common life forms are microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and algae, which are found in ice, snow, and soils. These microorganisms have evolved to survive in the extreme cold and are adapted to the unique Antarctic environment. Marine life. The waters around Antarctica are rich in nutrients, thanks to the upwelling of cold, nutrient-rich water from the depths of the Southern Ocean. This nutrient-rich environment supports a diverse array of marine life, including krill, small shrimp-like crustaceans, fish, seals, whales, and penguins. The Southern Ocean is also home to various seabirds, including albatrosses and petrels. Polar research stations. Several countries operate research stations in Antarctica to study the continent's unique environment and conduct scientific research. These research stations are typically equipped with modern facilities and infrastructure to support the living and working conditions of the scientists and staff who stay there for extended periods. These stations also serve as a base for studying the local flora, fauna, climate, and geology of Antarctica. Human presence. While Antarctica is not permanently inhabited by indigenous populations, it is home to a temporary human presence. Scientists, researchers, and support staff from various countries visit Antarctica to conduct research, typically during the summer months when conditions are less severe. These individuals live in research stations and follow strict protocols to minimize the impact on the delicate Antarctic environment. Environmental conservation. Antarctica is protected by the Antarctic Treaty System, which designates Antarctica as a natural reserve devoted to peace and science. The treaty prohibits mining and military activities, and sets guidelines for environmental conservation and management. The aim is to preserve the pristine environment of Antarctica and protect its unique ecosystem. Antarctica is one of the harshest and most inhospitable places on Earth, with extremely low temperatures, strong winds, and limited access to resources. As a result, life in Antarctica can be challenging and requires careful preparation, planning, and specialized equipment and facilities. There are several research stations and bases located throughout Antarctica, which are inhabited by scientists, support staff, and other personnel during the summer months, October to February, when conditions are less severe. These stations provide a range of facilities and resources, such as food, water, shelter, medical care, and communication systems, to support scientific research and exploration activities. During the winter months, March to September, when conditions are more extreme, many of these stations are closed or operate with reduced staff, and those who remain must be self-sufficient and able to endure long periods of isolation and darkness. Despite the harsh conditions, there are several species of animals and plants that are able to survive in Antarctica, such as penguins, seals, whales, and krill, as well as various types of algae, lichen, and moss. These organisms have adapted to the extreme cold and darkness by developing specialized physical and physiological traits, such as antifreeze proteins, thick fur, and efficient energy storage mechanisms. Overall, life in Antarctica is challenging but also rewarding for those who are able to live and work there. The extreme environment provides a unique opportunity for scientific research and exploration, and the isolation and beauty of the continent can also be a source of inspiration and wonder for those who visit.